For this recipe, you'll need 3 teaspoons of instant espresso coffee, 6 teaspoons of sugar, 6 teaspoons of hot water, and cocoa powder for decoration. First, pour in the instant coffee and sugar. Next, pour in the hot water. Grab a mixer and put it at low speed. Move it around slowly. Gradually turn the speed higher. Take a spatula and fold the mixture to make a cream-like consistency. After that, take a cup of your choice and add in ice. Pour in milk and add the cream on top. Add cocoa powder on top and you're done. For a non-dairy recipe, we added cold brew instead of milk. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another video.